Hi everyone. Then next continuation of the pollination in animals. Exclusively here, pollination by insects. I told you previously by insects. Exclusively the bees. Like that some others also there. We'll go through very clearly about this. And please move on to this topic. Topic is sexual reproduction in flowering plants, part 22nd. Subtopic is pollination by animals, here exclusively insects. Insects. Pollination by insects it is. Now here, if any flower wants to involve in the pollination by insects, it required some specific characteristics. What are those specific characteristics? Just we'll go through. Characteristic features of insect pollinated flowers. What are those means? The flowers should be the large, the flowers should be the colorful, the flower should be having the fragrance, and it is rich in color, rich in nectar. Okay, fragrant and rich in color, rich in nectar. If the flowers are small, generally these are the large flowers, means these are the characteristics. If it is a small flower, then what is the specific characteristics means? Then immediately a number of flowers make the clusters, groups, and form the inflorescence. If the inflorescence or a cluster of flowers are there, then easy to identify. A clear structure will be there. That's why here we can say that a number of flowers cluster and form the inflorescence to make the small flowers conspicuous. Conspicuous means clear. Then animals are attracted to the flowers. Generally animals are attracted to the flowers by two things. What are those two things means? One is color or fragrance. This is also a neat question for us. The flowers pollinated by flies and beetles. See, some flowers are there, those are pollinated by the flies and beetles. And those flowers are secreting some foul odors. Foul odors, that means bad smells. Bad smells are secreted. Foul odors to attract the animals. So exclusively here, flies and beetles, the flowers which are pollinated by the flies and beetles, then those flowers are secreting the bad smells which are highly attracted by these animals. This is a very important question for us. Next, to sustain animal visits, frequently the animal, that means fly, need to come and visit the flower, means it need to give some sort of floral rewards. What are the major floral rewards? To sustain animal visits, the flowers have to provide rewards. Have to provide rewards to the animals. The usual floral rewards, it is a common need question for us and CET. The usual floral rewards for animals are two are there. This is very important. One is the pollen grains or else nectar, sweet fluid which is present in the plants. Next, to get the floral reward from the flower, the animal visitor comes and contact with the anther and stigma. Will come and will stand on the anther and stigma. Whenever it is taking the floral reward from the stigma or else the flower, then the body of the insect is attached with the anther and stigma. That time what is happening? The pollen grains which are present on the anther is attached to the body of the insect. Then what is happening? It is taking the floral reward. At the same time the body is attached to the pollen grains. Then afterwards, then the body of the animal gets coating with the pollen grains which are generally sticky. This is the neat question for us. The pollination carried by the flies and beetles. Those flowers are showing the pollen grains. Those pollen grains are nothing but sticky. Then this animal carries the pollen. Then that body contact with the stigma of any other flower leads to the pollination. This is a very important area to learn the things from the pollination by insects. Here, very important competitive questions are nothing but the characteristic features of flower which is involving in the pollination by the insects. And if the flowers are very small, then inflorescence cluster. Then to attract the animals, what they are having means color or else fragrance. Now here the scented good fragrance and bad fragrance also there. No, it's maximum of flowers are giving the good fragrance, but bees and beetles, such kind of flowers are there, they are secreting the foul or its bad smells which are attractive to the animals. Then afterwards here floral rewards. What are the major floral rewards means? This pollen grains and nectar. So please go through this, and next we will meet in the next session. All the best. Thank you.